Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug in just 5 minutes. If you've been trying to make a purchase on Steam, but PayPal keeps giving you an error, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. I'll walk you through the exact steps to get this issue fixed quickly. Step 1. Open Steam. First, open up your Steam app or go to the Steam website. Before we do anything, make sure your internet connection is stable so nothing interrupts the process. Once Steam is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Log In. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In. It's important to make sure you're logging into the correct Steam account, the one that's linked to your PayPal. Otherwise, you could end up fixing the wrong account. Step 2. Go to Account Details. After signing in, click on your profile name at the top menu. From the dropdown, choose Account Details. This page is where you'll manage your payment methods and fix most billing issues. Step 3. Re-link PayPal. On the Account Details page, find the option that says Add a payment method to this account. Click it, then select PayPal from the list. If you don't see PayPal listed, don't panic. Just log out and back in. Sometimes it's a temporary glitch with Steam's servers. Step 4. Check your PayPal account. Before linking again, double-check a few things in your PayPal account. Make sure your PayPal balance or linked bank card has enough funds. Confirm that your PayPal account is verified, meaning your email, card, and bank info are confirmed, and make sure your bank hasn't blocked or declined any recent transactions. Even one small issue, like an expired card, can cause the Steam payment bug. Step 5. Manual Fix option. If you're still running into the bug, try this. Manually transfer a small amount from your bank to your PayPal balance. This can refresh your account and bypass authorization problems between Steam and PayPal. Once that's done, go back to Steam and try linking PayPal again. You should now be able to make purchases smoothly. Outro. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Steam PayPal bug and get back to your games without any more frustration. If the issue still continues, reach out to Steam support for additional help. They can check if the problem is on their end. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.